Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Cuticle Rendezvous and a heart stamping plate. I've got Nailtiques Formula 2 as my base coat, and this is Cuticle Rendezvous. It's another beautiful polish my friend Tammy gave me. Oh, the hollow is so pretty. Love it. So here we go. We're going to go in with our first coat, and the formula is amazing. I mean, absolutely amazing. It's just so good. Love it. Oh, how pretty. So I am going to do a second coat. I probably could have got away with one, but I don't do that. Go ahead, go with my two, at least. Awesome. I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Get it to dry down so we can do some playing. Oh, the camera just didn't show y'all how pretty this one is. Wish it would. Oh, it's so pretty. And this is a little heart plate. It's number 11. This one came from Miss Tammy also. I'm going to get the blue film off of it and get it cleaned up. It's being stubborn, y'all. Look at that. Fighting me. I am going to clean it with some acetone and a paper towel. Now, I apologize for being stuffy sounding, but my sinuses are just whack. And, I mean, I don't feel bad or anything. I just, sinuses, they're just overactive or something. We're also going to be using this Maniology. Y'all know I love coconut. It's one of my favorite stamping polishes. And my Maniology cube stamper and my beauty scraper. So I like these little stars, so I'm going to run them across a few of the nails. Well, okay, like 3 of them. Getting the excess off with a little piece of tape. And then I'm just going to run them kind of across the middle. And I just think that's cute. This isn't one of those in-your-face manicures, but yeah, I know sometimes I do them like that. Cleaning that plate with pure acetone. And we're going to hop in and do this again. Like I said, I'm going to do this same image on 3 of them. I've got another image already picked out for the accent nail. And if y'all are wondering why the thumb's empty, it's because I'm doing a treatment on it. It's my messed up thumb. Both of my thumbnails are pretty messed up, but sometimes I just do treatments on them and just keep clear coat on them. So didn't want y'all thinking I was being mean to it or anything. There we go. Get that little excess up. Cute, cute. So I'm going to use this little bow as my accent decoration on my nail. It's kind of like a butterfly bow. I really was drawn to it. It's cute. It looked really cute with like a gem in the middle right there. I don't know what I was thinking. I'm going to top it with the Maniology Smudge-Free Top Coat. Seal it all in. Get it to dry. And then I'm going to put my final top coat on. Hi Woody, how you doing? And I'll be using Poshe today as my final top coat. And this one will be finished. Gorgeous, easy to do manicure. So I do have a swatch photo coming up here real soon. I would love to hear what you think about this manicure. Leave me a comment down below. And that is going to be it for me today. As always, I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.